Hello everyone. In this class, let us discuss about nomenclature of amines. So, nomenclature is familiar for you. No need of discussing much. Still, I will give few examples which is present in your textbook and explain those examples. And for annual examination view, they will ask for 1 mark. Okay, they will give most of the time. They will give IUPAC name from aldehydes or ketones or from amines. Okay, so be careful while writing IUPAC name of amines. So as we know, there are 2 systems of nomenclature. One is a common system and one more is a IUPAC system of nomenclature. First, let us discuss about common naming of amines. Amines are named as alkyl derivatives of amines. That is, in common system of naming, we name amines as alkyl amine as one word. Okay, no space between alkyl and amine. As one word, we are naming this as this amines as alkyl amines. That is by prefixing alkyl to amines. Okay, prefixing alkyl group to amines. If 2 or more groups are the same prefix, then tri is used. That you are knowing. If in secondary and tertiary, okay, in secondary and tertiary, primary this problem will not come. Why? There will be only one alkyl group present in primary amines. In secondary and tertiary, there will be 2 or 3 alkyl groups are present. If alkyl groups are different, then we can name those according to our alphabetical order. If both the alkyl groups are same, then we have to use in common system of nomenclature also we have to use multiplicative prefixes, that is a di or a tri. Diethylamine, right? Triethylamine, dimethylamine, like that, etc. Or ethyl methylamine, right? We are using multiplicative prefix or in the alphabetical order. Next, if you want, write prefixing alkyl to amines. Next, in case of secondary and tertiary amines, if there is same alkyl groups, then we are using di, tri, etc. Only di and tri, that is multiplicative prefix. If alkyl groups are different, then we are writing according to alphabetical order. Okay, alphabetical order. This is about a common naming of amines. Let us move to IUPAC nomenclature. I will give example later. If you want, write one example. CH3 NH2. Alkyl and amine group. Alkyl group is a methyl group. Methyl amine. Or CH3, CH2, NH2, Okay, like this we can name this amines in common system of nomenclature. In IUPAC system of nomenclature, we name amines by replacing E of alkane by amine. Okay, we can replace E of alkane by amine in case of in IUPAC system of nomenclature. That is, if there is alkane, any alkane, and amine group is present. Okay, that is alkane or alkyne CH3NH2. Right? How we can name? Replacing E by amine, that is alkane and amine. We have to replace E by amine. E by amine, hence name is alkanamine. Or here it is methane amine and name is one carbon atom, hence methane, right? Methane. Now in IUPAC system of nomenclature we have to write in the form of alkanamine. E by amine. Methanamine is a IUPAC name of methylamine. Common name methylamine, IUPAC name is methanamine by replacing E of alkane by amine. Okay. Methanamine. Next, in case of two or more than one amino group is present at different position, then parent chain, then you have to consider parent chain and their position is specified by numbers. More than one NH2 group is present, then what you have to do? You have to consider first a parent chain. Okay, have to consider parent chain. In parent chain, if NH2 group is present in different position, if there is same position, one more method we are using, different position, NN dimethyl like that, or NN dash, different position, then in parent chain have to different position of parent chain. If more than one NH2 group is present at different position of parent chain, then you must consider the parent chain and you have to number the alkane chain must be numbered in such a way that NH2 group should get a least number. That we know about this. NH2 group should get a least number. And one more thing, if more than one NH2 groups are present, right? And multiplicative prefixes are used as a di, tri, etc. Okay, diamine, triamine, like that. Next, and one more thing, end E of alkane is retained. But you are making many of you making mistake in this. If there is same functional group is repeated, then we must retain end E, right? In carboxylic acids as well as in aldehydes, ketones or alcohols. But you always replace this E here also, because NH2 group is repeated. You must retain end E of alkane. That is for example, right? Now, here parent hydrocarbon chain is a CH2 ethane, right? Ethane. And how many amine groups are there? 2 amine groups are there. And at what position? 1, 2 or 1, 2. It is one and the same. If you consider from here, this NH2 will get a least number, or if you start from this side, this NH2 group will get a least number. So it is one and the same. You can start from this side or from this side. So name of this compound is ethane 1, 2 at first and second position. Amine groups are there. How many amine groups are there? Diamine. Same I said here. So in parent chain, if there is 2 amine groups are present, we have to consider parent chain and we have to number parent chain in such a way that amines should get least number, and number of amine groups are represented by numbers, and positions are represented by numbers, and a number of amine groups are represented by multiplicative prefixes, that is di, tri, etc. Right? That is ethane, and we have to retain end E of alkane. This is about the nomenclature of amines in the IUPAC system. Let us see few example. First column amine, second common name, third IUPAC name. And one more I left, that is aryl amines. Aryl amines, and that is amine groups attached to benzene ring. Attached to benzene ring. Right? Now, we can name these aryl amines as simplest form, that is as aryl amine, or as benzene amine, or in common name benzyl amine. Aryl amine can, but in IUPAC system of nomenclature, we are naming this as a benzene amine. Or if there is any substituent, then we can name that as 2-bromobenzene amine, like that, 4-chloro, like that, or in aniline, or as a aniline. Aniline is accepted in a common system of nomenclature as well as IUPAC. First, aniline is a common name. It is accepted IUPAC system of nomenclature. Okay, that is simplest form of aryl amine, that is aniline, simplest one. It is benzene containing amine group, and it is named as benzene amine, or as aniline. Aniline is a accepted common name as well as in IUPAC system of nomenclature. Next, 3 columns: amine, common name, IUPAC name. We'll start with simplest amine, CH3 NH2, and common name of this compound is methyl amine, and IUPAC name methenamine. Second one, two carbon atoms are there, hence name is ethylamine, and IUPAC name of this compound ethenamine. Next is CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2, 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atoms are there, and alkyl group is a propyl group, and propyl as prefix ends with the amine, propylamine, and IUPAC name propane, and E is replaced by amine, propanamine, right? Next is CH3CH, NH3, CH3, NH2. So iso group is present, right? We can write it as this CH3 here, isopropyl group and NH2, right? Isopropyl lamine. And at what position? I think it's clear for you. We can write CH3, CH3, NH2, right? Same. So isopropyl group, right? And so isopropyl amine, or you can write it as in IUPAC system of nomenclature. Numbering start, you have to give number in such a way that functional group should get least number. I'll start from this side 1, 2, 3, or this side 1, 2, 3, same 1, 2, 3, and IUPAC name of this compound is propane amine. At what position amine is there? At second position amine group is there. Propane to amine, propanamine, propane to amine. Next compound is CH3, NH, CH2, CH3. And here one methyl group is present, one more ethyl group is present. So two different alkyl groups are attached. Now name of this compound is ethyl methyl amine. Ethyl methyl amine is common name of this compound, and IUPAC name of this compound. Be careful while writing IUPAC name for these type of compounds. To this nitrogen, one methyl group is attached. one more ethyl group is attached. Hence, IUPAC of name of this compound is N-methyl. N-methyl ethyl amine. You may ask why it is not in alphabetical order. First, we are writing the smallest chain. Here, smallest chain is methyl, hence N-methyl ethyl amine. Okay, N-methyl ethyl amine is name of this compound. And next one, NCH3, CH3 and CH3. Common name, trimethylamine. And IUPAC name of this compound, again see here. To this nitrogen atom, if you consider here two CH3 groups are attached like this. Hence, N, N dimethyl methenamine. Actually, it is, if you consider this much, then it is a methenamine, methane and amine. To this parent, two methyl groups are attached. Hence, name of this compound is N, N dimethyl N, dimethyl methenamine. So, you must be very much careful while writing IUPAC name of these compounds. Usually they ask this N-methyl ethylamine or N dimethyl methenamine. Or they will ask to write the structure of N dimethyl methenamine or N-methyl ethyl amine. Next one. This compound is there. And common name of this compound is at N two methyl groups are attached. Hence, N, N diethyl ethyl amine, right? Ethyl amine is here to N, two ethyl groups are attached. Hence, N, N diethyl and parent chain 1, 2, 3, 4. If I consider, so this must get a least number. Hence, it is butyl amine. Diethyl butyl amine. Right? See. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups are attached. 4 carbon atoms are there. Hence, is a butyl group. Butyl amine. Right? Which amine? At N, 2 ethyl groups are attached. Hence, N, N diethyl butyl amine is IUPAC name of this compound. And IUPAC name N, N diethyl. Same N, N diethyl. Here it is butane, right? Butane. In butane, at what position amine group is there? First position. Or butanamine or butane 1 amine. Okay, butanamine or butane 1 amine, butanamine. And one more thing, there we must retain that E. Retain one amine, butanamine. No, sorry. If there is two amine groups are there, then we should retain and E here. Two ethyl groups are attached. If there is two NH2 group, then only we have to retain, correct? That is butanamine. Next, NH2, CH2, CH, double bond, CH3. Okay, don't get confused. I got confused here because NN dimethyl. If there is two amine groups are there, then you must retain and E of alkane. Be careful. NH2, CH2, CH, double bond, CH, double bond, CH2. Next, name of this compound is allyl amine is common name. Allyl amine. Allyl group is present here. It is sp2 hybridized carbon, and next this is sp3 hybridized carbon. Functional group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is present next to the sp2 hybridized carbon. Clear? Which is present carbon-carbon next to carbon-carbon double bond, allyl group. Hence, this name of this compound is allyl amine, and IUPAC name of this compound is three carbon atoms are there, hence prop. At second ene is there, 2 ene, and at 1 amine. Prop, 2 ene and 1 amine, propinamine. Okay.